Imagine you're trading Apple stocks and you win $5,000 within minutes. Then you get greedy and you decide to short the stock. Guess what happens? You end up losing your $5,000 plus another $5,000. Well, that happened to me. Or imagine someone that tells you, hey, I can help you make money in the stock market. So you give them $10,000 and they say, if you don't make it up within a couple months, we'll give you your money back. Well, guess what? I gave them $10,000, did not make my money, and never got my money back. So those are a couple stories that happened to me. So I understand what it's like to lose money in the market. So I'm sharing you these stories so that you guys can learn from my lessons and not make the same mistakes. This is why I'm going to share with you guys 4 things that changed my trading game. So when I started trading like 10 years ago, I had a lot of ups and downs. I was trying to determine what type of trader I wanted to become, like if I wanted to become a day trader, swing trader, if I just wanted to invest over the long term. After a lot of analyzing, I determined that swing trading and long-term investing were the best approaches for me. It allows me to be more emotionally consistent and not make mistakes with my trading. So there's really 4 things that have really helped me with my trading game, and I'm going to share them with you right now. So number 4 is, if you're a day trader, make sure you also have a long-term plan. Reason being is because you're a day trader, you're going to take on more risks and you're going to have some good days and some bad days. So knowing that you have a second backup plan that is more long-term, that is more secure, you won't feel so bad if you have a bad day. Number 3 is, if you are a day trader, keep it that way. What I mean is, let's say you buy a stock and you were wrong and you end up losing money that day. What I hear sometimes people saying is, oh, well, I ended up making it a swing trade. So you didn't follow your plan. So what happened is your trade did not go the way you wanted it to. So you ended up keeping it the next day in hopes that it'll recover. And chances are you're probably going to be even more wrong. And then you're going to end up holding the stock forever. So if you have a plan, stick to the plan and make sure you don't keep your trade overnight if you are a day trader. Number 2 is, keep it simple. So what you want to do is, you don't want to have like a 10 to 12 page trade plan like I had, and then you're going to overanalyze and you're not going to buy any stocks that way. So what you want to do is you want to keep it simple. So stick it to 1 page, 5 to 10 different things or indicators you want to follow so that you're not in analysis paralysis. And number 1 is doing the opposite of what everyone else is doing. So let's say you're in a bullish market. The market is going up. And it's been going up for a while. And let's say now for the last few weeks, the market's going down, or your stock is going down if you're looking at an individual stock. Now, what you want to do is you want to buy these dips if you're going long, because you're not going to want to do like everyone else and sell and then miss out on the long-term trend. Because if you miss out on the top 10 days of the market trend, you're going to lose out on most of the profits. So you need to stay in there in order to benefit from the trend as well as the profits. Don't we love when things are on sale? We always look out for sales. So why not do it also in the stock market? So those are really the 4 top things I would say that really helped me achieve more success in the market. So if this resonated with you, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. My name is Suzanne again, aka Trade Babe, and hope to see you guys next week.